Hi everyone, thanks for tuning in. Today I'm going to walk you through the proper way to install HydroSilex Recharge. The first thing I want you to do is make sure your car is not exposed to direct sunlight and the paint is cool to the touch. When the car's paint is hot, this will cause the coating to cure prematurely during the application. Once you've prepped the vehicle, it's ready for recharge. Start by making sure that you have 3 to 4 clean PLUSH microfiber towels to use. Begin by gently spraying recharge on one panel of the vehicle. We recommend starting with either the roof or the hood of the car and working one panel at a time. Make sure to cover the entire panel with recharge. It's okay if you overspray onto other panels. Once you've covered the entire panel with recharge, grab 2 clean microfiber towels and begin wiping off the product. You want to use the first towel to clean off all the liquid and the second towel to remove any excess liquid or streaking that has been left behind. Buff off the coating using a circular motion. Repeat these steps for each panel of the car. Make sure not to leave the product on the surface of the car too long without wiping it, as it may dry up and leave a stain which could be difficult to remove. Recharge can be applied to the wheels and the glass of the vehicle. Simply spray it on and wipe it off.